Ever wondered what digital products you can make using AI? Well, indulge your curiosity. We're about to explore a world where creativity meets artificial intelligence. Today, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a reality shaping our lives in ways we could hardly imagine a few years ago. It's in our phones, cars, homes, and now, it's revolutionizing digital product creation. From designing logos that capture your brand's essence, to crafting wedding resources that tell a romantic story, AI is here to make things easier and more efficient. Want a standout resume? AI has got you covered. Need to develop comprehensive guides? AI is your ally. And let's not forget business cards. Those small but mighty networking tools. AI can lend a creative hand there too. So, ready to see how AI can turn your digital product ideas into reality? Stay tuned as we dive into our first digital product that you can make using AI. First up, we have logos. Can AI really design a compelling logo? You might be surprised to find out that it can. Designing a logo, which we rate as a 6 out of 10 on the difficulty scale, has been revolutionized by the advent of AI. With a monthly cost of around $30, AI design platforms offer a cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals who are looking for a unique and professional logo. AI in logo design works by using algorithms and machine learning to create logos based on user input. You input your preferences such as color schemes, design styles, and even the message you want your logo to convey, and the AI does the rest. It's like having a personal graphic designer at your fingertips, one that works lightning fast and doesn't need coffee breaks. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some drawbacks to using AI for logo design. One of the main cons is the lack of human touch. While AI can generate a logo, it might lack the creative flair and intuition that a human designer brings to the table. Also, since AI designs are based on algorithms, there's a chance that your logo might not be entirely unique, as it could share similarities with other logos designed by the same AI. Despite these challenges, AI has been successful in creating compelling logos. For instance, look at the logos designed by AI for major brands like Nutella and Uber. These logos are sleek, modern, and visually appealing, showing that AI can indeed be a great tool for logo design. So, what's the verdict? Well, AI in logo design is like any other tool. It has its pros and cons, and its success depends on how you use it. If you're looking for a quick, cost-effective design solution, AI might just be the way to go. But if you're after a more unique and creatively driven design, you might want to stick with a human designer. AI certainly brings a new perspective to logo design, doesn't it? Let's move on to our next product. Scene script. Wedding planning can be a hassle, but can AI ease the burden? Imagine an artificial intelligence, a digital ally, that helps in creating the perfect wedding resources. Yes, this is not science fiction. The use of AI in wedding planning is a reality, with a difficulty rating of 7 out of 10 and a monthly cost of $43. So how does AI come into play? AI can be employed to generate wedding websites, manage guest lists, send digital invitations, and even predict the best dates for your wedding based on weather patterns and personal preferences. It's like having a personal wedding planner, available 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. But it's not all rose petals and champagne. There are pros and cons to this digital approach. On the positive side, AI can save a lot of time and reduce stress. It can handle repetitive tasks, leaving you with more time to focus on personal touches that make your wedding unique. Plus, it's cost-effective. Traditional wedding planners can charge thousands, while an AI tool can perform similar tasks for just $43 a month. On the flip side, AI doesn't have the human touch. It can't empathize with your wedding jitters or share your joy. And while it can crunch numbers and analyze data, it might miss out on the nuances and personal preferences that a human planner might intuitively understand. Despite these limitations, AI continues to make impressive strides in the realm of wedding planning. For instance, there are AI tools that can create beautiful wedding websites with just a few inputs from the user, or AI-driven apps that can manage your guest list, RSVPs, and even dietary preferences of your guests. So while AI might not replace human wedding planners anytime soon, it certainly has a role to play in making the wedding planning process smoother and more efficient. AI might just be the wedding planner's new best friend. Let's see what else AI can do. Job hunting, your resume could use a touch of AI. When it comes to crafting that perfect resume, artificial intelligence can be your best friend. With a difficulty level of 5 out of 10 and a monthly cost of around $30, AI can help you create a resume that stands out from the crowd. Now, you might be wondering, how does AI help in resume creation? Well, AI can analyze job descriptions and identify the key skills and qualifications required for a particular role. It can then tailor your resume to highlight these skills, ensuring your application is relevant and impactful. This is a game changer, especially when you're applying for multiple jobs and need to customize your resume for each one. AI can also review and correct grammar and spelling mistakes, ensuring your resume is polished and professional. Some AI software can even provide feedback on the layout and design of your resume, suggesting improvements based on industry standards and trends. But like all things, using AI in resume creation does have its cons. For starters, AI may not fully grasp the context of certain information on your resume. This may lead to awkward phrasing or the omission of critical details. Therefore, it's always a good idea to thoroughly review any AI-generated content before sending it off. Let's take a look at some successful AI-generated resumes. These examples highlight the candidate's skills and experiences in a clear, concise manner. They also use industry-specific keywords, which can be crucial for getting past the initial screening phase. Remember, while AI can provide a solid foundation, the final touches should always be yours. Your personal insights and experiences are what make your resume unique. So use AI as a tool to assist you, but don't rely on it entirely. With AI, creating an impressive resume is a breeze, but we're not done yet. We have more to explore about the fascinating world of AI and digital product creation. Stay tuned. Need to create a guide? AI might just be the tool you need. Let's dive into the world where AI meets guide creation, a world that's both exciting and revolutionary. Creating a guide isn't an easy task. It requires a deep understanding of the subject, an ability to explain complex topics in simple terms, and a knack for organizing information in a way that's easy to follow. It's a difficulty level 8 out of 10 endeavor, but here's where AI comes into play. Artificial intelligence, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, can be a powerful ally in guide creation. It can scour the internet for relevant information, analyze it, and organize it into a coherent guide. And it doesn't stop there. AI can continuously update the guide as new information becomes available, ensuring your guide is always up to date. This level of automation can save you countless hours of work. The cost? Just $43 a month. It might seem steep, but when you factor in the time you'd spend manually creating and updating a guide, it's a small price to pay. But like any tool, AI isn't without its drawbacks. While it's excellent at gathering and organizing information, it may not always understand the nuances of the subject matter. It can't replace the expertise and insight of a human author. It's a tool to assist, not replace. There are, however, some shining examples of AI-generated guides out there. For instance, travel guides that provide real-time updates on attractions, restaurants, and events, all curated by AI. Or educational guides that adapt to the learner's pace and style, thanks to the power of AI. In conclusion, AI offers a compelling way to create guides. It's not perfect, but with its ability to analyze and organize information at lightning speed, it's a tool worth considering. And remember, it's not a replacement for human expertise, but a powerful assistant that can make the process of creating a guide more efficient and less time-consuming. AI can certainly make guide creation a lot easier. Now, on to our final product. Last but not least, let's talk about business cards. Business cards are an essential tool for networking. But with AI, their design process becomes a breeze, with a difficulty rating of just 3.5 out of 10. For a monthly cost of $43, you can have AI systems craft unique and professional designs tailored to your needs. The pros are numerous. AI can generate endless permutations of design elements, producing highly personalized cards. It can also consider trends and preferences, making your card stand out. However, there are a few cons. A human touch might be missing, and unique professional insights can sometimes be overlooked by an AI. Consider the example of AI-generated business cards that have made waves in the business world. These cards are not only visually appealing, but also resonate with the brand's identity, thanks to AI's data-driven design approach. And there you have it. 5 digital products you can make using AI. The future is certainly exciting, isn't it?